Product Review. Spectrum Diversified Wall Mount Holder Installation. The Spectrum Diversified Wall Mount Holder Installation is a practical and convenient solution for organizing various items in your home or office. With its sturdy plastic construction, this wall mount holder offers durability and longevity. The white color of the holder blends seamlessly with any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your space. The Spectrum Diversified brand is renowned for its high-quality products, ensuring that you receive a reliable and well-designed holder. One of the key features of this product is its wall mount capability. By securely attaching the holder to your wall, you can maximize your space utilization and keep your belongings within easy reach. Whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, or workspace, this holder offers a practical solution for organizing a range of items such as tools, utensils, or cleaning supplies. The item weight of only 0.29 pounds makes it lightweight and easy